What's up, guys? What a beautiful day today. Two different extremes here from Wild Willies. We got the lowered Dodge Ram, which is a lot vehicle, and then customer's on his way right now to come pick this up. He'll be super surprised with this 2022 Jeep Gladiator Overland Edition, and it is ready for overland. 4-inch Ready Lift Extreme Flex suspension with those Falcon shocks. It's got the new Falcon / TerraFlex center through steering stabilizer. And our customer's already informed me that he has already ordered his iCamper to put on his brand new Fishbone overland rack. We were going to do the soft roll-up cover, but he decided to do the steps because he wants to do the CFX refrigerator in the back and everything, so it had just been a hinder to him. But this thing is set up for all his overland adventures. So on this one, we're running a 17x10 -18 fuel shock on those 37, 13, 50, 17 Ditto Ridge grapplers. Very extreme, got a great stance. Also, to help get up in the vehicle, we're running these Infab rock slider step bars. So that right there, perfect overland adventure vehicle. On to the other extreme, one extreme to the other. 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn, lowered, 2 inches in the front, 4 inches in the rear, max track suspension system, shocks, struts, pulls, accommodated with those Asani 22-inch rims, Falcon STC05 tires. This thing rides extremely well. Lumar window tint, paint protection, and like always, lifetime Akins spray-in bed liner. Stock number NN277500.
And hey, the baddest receptionist in the country. Hey, it's worth the drive. You just got to come by. Look, you buy a vehicle, that's just a bonus, right? But
we have it. Two extreme builds right here at Akins Wild Willies. As always, we always got beautiful Wild Willies Akins vehicles on display here for you to see it here at Akins Ford. Come see us.